Hey, Dr. Anthony at Highland Park Animal Hospital in Dallas, Texas. I'm here to talk to you a little bit more about feline dentistry. I'm here with my partner and assistant, JR. He's going to be asking some questions about common feline dental care questions and why preventative dental care and dental hygiene and care is really important.
Dr. Anthony, what is involved in cat dental care?
There's a lot involved in cat dental care. It's a little bit more tricky than it is with dogs, though. I will tell you, it's this kind of very similar with canine dental care in the sense of the preventatives and the maintenance care we have for them. Everything from chewable dental sticks to prescription-based dental diets to actual dental care, which we're going to get into here in just a few minutes, veterinary dental care, and brushing at home, which can be a little bit trickier, so we'll talk more about that as well.
How does dental health impact the overall health and well-being of my cat?
Dental care is huge in our feline species. It can impact everything from the way they eat and just move and consume their food to hunting, all the way down to their kidneys and heart, surprisingly. So that's why we really want to focus on dental care. It's often overlooked in a lot of our feline species, and that's why we want to focus on it. And that's why we made this video today, to give you a little bit more information about dental care in cats.
What types of dental care should I be giving my cat at home?
Absolutely. So the gold standard for any dental care, both in dogs and cats, is daily brushing. Now, I know that's really, really difficult. I even have a lot of difficulty with it in my dogs and cats. But ideally, you'll want to brush your cat's teeth daily with a feline-approved toothpaste. Now, I will tell you, if you do go down this route, you usually have to start really early when they're kittens, or they probably won't let you do it at all. Now, they do have some handy-dandy toothbrushes that you can purchase online that you can put on your finger that can help assist with this. So if your cat is amenable to it, that's the gold standard. Most of our clients either have feline dental treats that help manually debride some of that tartar and plaque that we're going to get to in just a second. And then there's other products that you can either administer in the water, whether it's enzymes that help break down that tartar, or the veterinary route where I step in, and that's the actual anesthetic dentals where we actually scale the teeth, perform dental x-rays, extractions if necessary, and help prevent that plaque and tartar buildup from causing further decay of the teeth.
What are some signs and symptoms of issues with oral health in my cat?
This is a wonderful question, and probably the reason why you come see me. Or you may not even realize it. In cats, it can be super tricky to detect any type of discomfort or pain, but most of the time you'll notice that your cat will have discomfort while chewing, and maybe they're favoring one side versus the other. That helps me to decide where's the problem. Other things you might detect: may not be interested in food or stopping wanting to eat. Very common. Actually, one of the more common things we see is they'll hide, and you'll just come to me and you say, "Hey, Dr. Anthony, I swear something's up with my cat. He or she is just hiding more than normal." That to me is a clue that something's going on that I want to check further. Now, as far as the teeth themselves, you may notice that they have excess accumulation of tartar or plaque. That's that chalky substance that builds up and causes the bad breath that you may or may not notice. Bad breath, just like I said, another huge one that we see. Other things that you might notice: excess drooling, inflammation of the gingiva or the pink tissue surrounding the teeth. It'll be red and inflamed. Very common for us to see. Now, if you really love your cat and you know them well and you can actually lift up their gums and take a look at their teeth, other things that we usually pick up are the actual enamel itself resorbing or causing little defects within the enamel itself. That's a little bit trickier. Those are going to be things that we see. Most of the other things we're going to pick up on physical exam, whether there's oral masses, whether there's missing or loose teeth in the mouth. Those are things that we help detect while you're here during your physical exam. And things that we like to correct or usually look to when we do our dental procedures here at Highland Park. So periodontal disease is just a disease of the teeth surrounding the teeth. So a lot of stuff I talked about. So the gingiva being inflamed. Cats get a lot of either inflammatory, infectious, or non-infectious diseases around the teeth where we may actually need to extract their teeth. So those are some periodontal issues. We can have tooth root abscesses or other masses that are surrounding the teeth that can cause any pain and discomfort. The signs that I had just mentioned that you may notice.
How do veterinarians diagnose dental problems in cats?
Great question. Most common way we diagnose dental issues is during the exam. It's really important for us to get a good look in that oral cavity or the mouth when we're doing our physicals. And that's on us. Things that you can do at home, notice those clinical signs. What you tell us in the exam room helps us tremendously. Our feline friends can't talk to us, so your information that you provide, whether it's videos, pictures, or just descriptions, help us diagnose these problems in your cat. Therefore, allows us for the best recommendation for you, whether that be something as simple as we recommend toothbrushing all the way to we may really need to do a thorough anesthetic dental procedure where we take full mouth x-rays, scale those teeth, extract some teeth that are causing pain or discomfort, or even some oral masses. So that's up to us to help guide you.
What are some possible conditions caused by poor cat dental care, and what are the treatments?
Absolutely. So what I mentioned, I'm going to go a little bit beyond the teeth here because you'll be surprised. There is some anecdotal evidence or true evidence that dental disease, being that the gums are a direct route of the bloodstream, can cause further issues of the organs in the body, the vital organs in the body, such as the heart, kidneys, and other internal structures. So your dental health, your cat's dental health, can affect the rest of its body. A lot of older cats get more chronic conditions that are actually affected by the teeth. So we may even talk about, hey, your cat needs a dental because it has this other chronic issue that may or may not look like it's related, but it really is. And so that would be something that we would discuss during one of our exams if that's the case. Hey guys, so I know that our feline friends are a little bit trickier when it comes to oral hygiene and dental care. I get it. Cats are tricky, but that's why we love them. Our job is to help you understand the signs you're seeing at home and give you direction and options of what are the best things for your feline friends.